Color elements is a feature that colors objects in a view based on a parameter and its parameter value. In this example, you can see doors and that swing direction have been given different colors. And in this example, the walls have been color-coded, defined by width. The colors are visible in the view while the feature is running, but you can choose to keep the objects colored after closing the dialog. You can also choose to save the settings in a view filter for current view or add as a filter in a view template.